transgenders. We have upgraded many departments during these COVID times to various hospitals by donating ventilators, dialysis machines, COVID testing kits, PPEs, and an abundance of other healthcare equipment. As the research and understanding of COVID-19 grew and evolved, we realized that the current need of the hour was high-flow nasal cannula HFNC machines. While ventilators were a final attempt at Hail Mary in the fight against COVID-19, HFNC machines were much more effective at avoiding patients reaching that critical stage. The Rotary Club of Bombay, after much research, chose the Airvo 2 nasal high-flow system manufactured by Fisher and Paykel Healthcare. With a generous donation from our member, Rotarian Yogesh Mansaria, we were able to donate 5 of these systems, 3 to Tata Hospital at Trek and 2 to Masina Hospital. In addition, very recently, the Inner Wheel of Bombay Hanging Garden also donated 1 machine each to Tata Hospital, Actrek, and Masina Hospital, with the assistance of IPP Dilip Shah and under the guidance of DGN Sandeep Agarwala. Our fight against this dreaded pandemic will continue, and we will answer to the call of service, especially as we stand by our frontline COVID warriors in their effort to heal and save lives of the magnitude of our brethren. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a very warm welcome to you all.
Thank you, President Pramrose Mehta, for the wonderful welcome. I would now invite IWC Amla Mehta to address the august audience.
Thank you, Swati. Honorable President Anmona Shah, Rotary Visionary President Pramrose Mehta, Rotary Governor Sunil Mehra, DGN Sandeep Agarwala, Innerville and Rotary dignitaries, club presidents, special invitees, doctors, Rotarians, and Innerville members. Good afternoon to everyone. I am extremely delighted today to be part of this virtual inauguration of donation of high-flow nasal cannula machines to Tata Attract and Masina Hospital by Innerville Club of Bombay Hanging Garden and Rotary Club of Bombay. In these pandemic times, whatever help we give to the hospitals and medical fraternity is less. As virus is not showing any signs of subsiding, instead the affected numbers are increasing day by day. Our Innerville District 314 had taken up mega medical project in the beginning of July itself by donating 7 hemodynamic machines to Tata Memorial Hospital, Parel. We made 3 smart COVID OPDs, 1 unit each at Kama, GT and St. George Hospital, which safeguards the doctor while examining outdoor patients. We also donated pulse oximeters, PPE kits, face mask, infrared thermometers to Sion Hospital, Nair Hospital, as well as 11 municipal hospitals across Mumbai, Thane, Dombivali, Ulhasnagar, and Kalyan. Our members donated generously so we could help with machines and equipments worth over 62 lakhs. Actually, at that point, our family friend, Dr. Anand Parihar, had requested to consider donating to Tata Attract also. But since I had already committed 7 hemodynamic machines to Tata Memorial Hospital, Parel, we could not do so. So today, I am very happy that Innerville Club of Bombay, Hanging Garden, and Rotary Club of Bombay have made this donation. HNFC machines, I am told, will help greatly in care for serious COVID patients, and later on also they will be very useful. Ventilators are a traumatic and invasive line of treatment, whereas these HNFC machines are extremely useful and gives excellent results in respiratory, non-invasive respiratory support techniques. So my compliments to both the clubs for joining hands in this worthy project. And thank you for your kind invitation, President Anmona and Rotary Club of Bombay President Pramrose Mehta. And thank you very much.
Thank you, IWDC Amla Mehta, for the very stimulating talk. I would like to now invite DJ and Sandeep Agarwala to share a few encouraging words with us.
Thank you, Swati. DG Sunil, Inner Wheel District Chair Amla, President Primrose of the Rotary Club of Bombay, and President Anmona of the Inner Wheel Club of Bombay Hanging Garden, my fellow Rotarians, Inner Wheelers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. When Dr. Anand Parihar telephoned me one day about 2 or 3 months back and said that it is now being found that HNFCs were being more effective than ventilators, especially in the COVID-19 patients, I had no idea even what an HNFC meant. When I discovered that a cannula costs a few lakh rupees, I was flabbergasted. Little did I know that the cannula was actually much more than a tube. It was actually a miniature dynamite of a machine which produced dramatic results in COVID patients. Our first machines went the way of Messina and Tata Actrec hospitals, and we gradually increased our giving to them. When the Inner Wheel Club of Bombay Hanging Garden approached me via immediate past President Dilip, I had no hesitation in recommending these same machines to the same hospitals. I'm glad that we have now been able to donate a good number of these machines, providing much needed succor to the needy. We are now working on a few more HNFC machines, and should our grant come through, we will be able to provide many more hospitals with the same in good number. I thank the entire team from the Rotary Club of Bombay, Gaurav Nevatia, Swati Jajodia, Vijay Jatia, in working tirelessly for this project, and also big thanks to my friend and, with your permission, Sunil, Alpha Chief Coordinator in the year 22-23, Rotarian Rajendra Nunikrishnan, in putting this event together with my Rotarians, Satya Nisrani and Swati. I thank all the participating hospitals and the leaders and dedicated doctors and staff, and wish them all success in their selfless endeavors to treat the sick at considerable risk to themselves. Good luck and God bless.
Thank you, DG. Thank you, DG and Sandeep, for the very informative address. I would now like to invite a visionary DG, Sunil Mehra, to say a few words.
Thank you so much, Swati. Happy afternoon. That's the way I'd like to greet you all. President Primrose, or personally as we call him, Fali, and affectionately, Mr. President. DG and Sandeep, Inner Wheel Chair, Amlaji, special invitees, Dr. Naveen, Dr. Bhakti, Dr. Wispy, Dr. Anand, Rotarian Yogeshji, and IPP Dilip Shah, and Monaji and Swati Jajodia. Other invited distinguished guests. When you come to an inauguration of a project by RC Bombay, Inner Wheel Club Bombay, and RC Bombay Hanging Garden, it has to be big. And today, this afternoon, to be present here is a pleasure and an honor for me, as both RC clubs and IWC have executed a very current need-based project, that of HN flow machines. Frankly, before the pandemic, just like you, Sandeep, I for one did not know that this machine existed. I knew of the ventilator, though we all know about it. But what COVID has done for our medical knowledge has been a huge learning curve. As the world is still grappling with the virus and longing for the vaccine, these machines, if I may say so, are truly a breather, a term I have intentionally used. In some of my discussions with my doctor friends and a very, very dear family member who is manufacturing these units, I remember them clearly informing me that if the hospital that a Rotarian friend had been admitted to had an HNFC machine, he would have survived. He then highlighted the importance of an HNFC machine prior to going to a ventilator. In fact, as a preventive, to not go to the ventilator. Patients with COVID-19, especially severe and critical cases, generally require oxygen therapy for more than about 2 weeks, if I recall correctly. I am given to understand that a previous study has confirmed that application of this machine's utilization in patients meets the clinical needs of patients with COVID-19. Hence, HFNC machine, can prevent intubation in a few patients, thereby avoiding the above complications. However, I believe this needs confirmation also in further clinical studies. The important aspect, I believe, is that use of non-invasive ventilators requires adjustments of ventilator parameters and monitoring of patients' tolerance. By comparison, HFNC is easier to use, a central monitor that assesses changes in patients' oxygenation and respiratory rates also. So extremely timely and noteworthy project, RC Bombay, Inner Wheel Club Bombay and RC Bombay Hanging Garden. Keep the great work going. Thank you so much.
Thank you, DG Sunil, for this very encouraging talk. I am now very pleased to invite IPP Rotary Club of Hanging Garden, Dilip Shah, to give a short brief about Rotary Club of Bombay and Inner Wheel Club of Bombay Hanging Garden.
Thank you, Swati. Welcome all, DG Sunil, District Chairperson Amla Mehta, DGN Sandeep Agarwala, and all other district dignitaries, my friends and members, and obviously Pali. Now I've been given a job to, it's more like, I feel as if I am a matchmaking pandit who is introducing the groom side to the brides and the bride side to the groom. But then that will make us come closer. Now, to go on with the official word, Rotary Club of Bombay. Established in 1929 with nearly 38 members, Rotary Club of Bombay is one of the pioneers in India of the Rotary movement. And today it boasts of around 325 members, including eminent personalities and industrialists like Srimati Rajshri Birla, Ratan Tata, Deepak Parekh, Rahul Bajaj, Mr. Adi Godrej, Ambani's, Piramals, and whatnot as their honorary Rotarians. The club has also inspired the incorporation of 25 Interact clubs, 5 Rotaract clubs, and has a very active Inner Wheel Club. The community service programs have been the highlight of the club activities, with almost 25 committees dedicated to community service. A quick overlook at their projects. They have set up 5 safe drinking water plants in the slums of Mumbai with state-of-the-art equipment. They have set up drinking water facilities in hospitals, schools, and villages of Chandrapur and the Wardha district. Rotary Suraksha Education Fund and night study centers are their way of supporting the cause of education to the underprivileged. Over 450 polio corrective surgeries have been performed for the children in Gujarat and Mumbai. Jaipur food camps have been held, providing artificial limbs to people beyond the borders of the country in Dominican Republic, Burundi, Bujumbura, and Nairobi. The club has adopted Talwada village at Danu, where they have an eye hospital doing over more than 1,000 free cataract operations every year. They have a medical center and a pathology lab offering free medical care and testing facilities, and a junior college for the benefit of young Adivasi students. At the same time, their major ongoing projects include the Bhavishyayan project, which identifies underprivileged students in municipal schools from 7th standard and fast tracks them with all-round focused training till they pass out of the school. They have a cancer relief fund, vocational training centers, and an old age home at Ambanath. Congratulations, Rotary Club of Bombay, for making District 3141 proud. Pramrose Mehta, or as they lovingly call him, Pali, is the current president of the club. Joining them, on the other hand, is the Inner Wheel Club of Bombay Hanging Garden. Formed under the Charter President Sonu Punjabi in February 2007, with 32 members, over the past 14 years, it has grown to be amongst the top 10 clubs in the District 314, and in terms of membership and projects, and their fun-loving thematic fellowships are a never-to-miss events, truly keeping up with the Inner Wheel objective of friendship and service. Being the 50th club to be registered in the district, it is also nicknamed the Golden Club of District 314. Apart from actively participating in several district projects, their ongoing projects include distribution of food grains, meals, clothing, and medicine to children's homes, old age homes, orphanages, and the lowest strata of the society. Organizing fun events and bus rides for cancer kids is also a much awaited project. active participation in medical camps, eye cataract camps, Jaipur Foot Camp, motor wheel distribution camp, and the dialysis projects done by their partners in service, Rotary Club of Bombay Hanging Garden. They have also adopted the Sarda Southern Girls School and the Sandatta School at Girgaon and Karanpur, respectively. And in addition, every year since the past several years, the club is donating a medical equipment at Tata Hospital. And here we are with President Anmona Shah, exactly keeping up with the same tradition. Welcome all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, IPP Dilip Shah, for this amazing matchmaking and a very enlightening speech. I would now like Dr. Bhakti Trivedi from Tata Actrek Kharghar to say a few informative words and present to us the need of Airvo 2 and its importance in the pandemic situation.
Good afternoon all. It gives us immense pleasure to be here. With the number of COVID cases going up in our city, the need of HFNC machines have really shot up. These machines that we've got from you all has helped not only our patients but also our staff members who've been infected while fighting with the coronavirus. Thank you once again, and I request Mr. Satyan Israni to play our little video. Good afternoon all. It's a great pleasure being part of this virtual inauguration for an actual machine provided to us by all. My team and I are extremely grateful to the Rotary Club of Bombay and the Inner Wheel Club of Bombay Hanging Garden for providing us with Airvo 2 machines for use in our COVID-19 patients and staff at Actrek Tata Memorial Center, Kharghar. This is a simple machine which comes on a mobile trolley with a humidifier and interfaces with the patient mostly using a nasal cannula. The soft nasal cannula are very well accepted by our COVID-19 patients. By this machine, we are also able to titrate the flow and the oxygen concentration. This one machine has been a game changer in this COVID-19 pandemic all over the world. It has decreased the use of ventilators, which is the breathing machine, and hence simplified the recovery in our staff and patients. We thank you once again for giving us these machines to our hospital. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Bhakti, for this factual talk. I would like to now invite Dr. Naveen Khatri, Project Coordinator at Tata Actrek, to tell us how this machine has benefited the ICU patients.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, on behalf of Tata Memorial Center, we would like to express our sincere thanks both to the Rotary Club as well as to the Inner Wheel Club of two major places in Mumbai for helping us with this equipment. Just to tell you that, while many members have already discussed how much Rotary has helped in Mumbai, I would want to tell you that Rotary has helped in Delhi to build the Rotary Cancer Hospital in AIIMS, where I did train in medical oncology. So my association with the Rotary Club goes back when I was training in AIIMS, and I think what Rotary Club did there to build the Institute Cancer Hospital is something which is beyond imagination. It has helped thousands of cancer patients. Here itself in Tata Memorial Center, we have been very lucky to get the help of both the Inner Wheel Club and the Rotary Club for many of our equipments, both at Tata Memorial Hospital and at Actrek. And recently, over the last few years, we get more help in Actrek because this is one hospital which is expanding very fast. As far as the high frequency nasal cannula is concerned, this was a chance talk with Dr. Parihar many months back, when I was telling him that, rather than ventilators, we need high frequency nasal cannula. So then he said that people are asking for ventilators. So I told him that if you can do with cannula, why do you need ventilators? And that's exactly what transpired. And then he spoke to Sandeep ji, and Sandeep ji has been very generous with us for the last few months. And then we first got the first few equipment from the Rotary. Then Sandeep ji also helped us with the kits, and I must say that it wouldn't have been possible without the Rotary help to get the kits. And then we got another equipment recently when Sandeep ji asked me whether we needed some more. Now this machine has actually saved all our staff and patients who needed oxygen at a higher concentration to help them to get out of the COVID crisis. We've had 1 or 2 patients who needed ventilator, but we must have treated more than 150 staff and patients in the last 3 months, and probably around 15% to 20% of all had needed oxygen, and all of these patients who needed the cannula were saved. And this is the most important thing which I wanted to tell everyone, and I think it should be disseminated to other hospitals also, that if you have high frequency nasal cannula, the chance that the patient would need to go onto a ventilator will certainly come down. Thank you very much again for all the help the Rotary and the Innerwheel Club has given us, and we certainly look forward to more help. We're expanding hospital. We'll have 810 beds in the next 3 years, and we certainly will come back to Sandeep ji because I know him now more, and I'm sure that he'll help us in future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Naveen Khatri, for this really explanatory speech about how the Airvo has helped so many patients. And I would now like to call upon Dr. Vispi Joki of Messina Hospital to talk about Rotary's productive involvement with Messina and present a video of the ICU machines at Messina.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for inviting me. I feel like I'm at home. I know everybody here. I mean, particularly District Governor Sunil Mehra, Sandeep Agarwal ji, Ramrose Mehta, and all of them. I myself am a Rotarian. I am a member of Rotary Club of Bombay North. As far as Messina and COVID is concerned, it's been a very, very long journey. We started off with a thought that we would have a 15-bedded small COVID setup and would probably, keep a few ventilators and treat the patients. Today, we have almost a 100-bedded unit. We have successfully treated more than 1,000 patients. And we have consciously, right from the beginning, not overreached. We decided that we will not be able to do effectively start a COVID ICU. So we decided to continue doing what we could do best. And very quickly, our consultants, Dr. Sonam Solanki, Dr. Chandan Chaudhary, and the rest, explained to us that high flow nasal cannulation was the way forward. And the mainstay of treatment for COVID is oxygenation. All the medicines that we are talking of, all the antivirals, all the injections, they are not being proved as effective as oxygenation. And oxygenation to be given effectively in a manner which is patient-friendly and in a manner which gives the best result. The HFNC machine has been the boon. And we received 2 units from Rotary Club of Bombay in the beginning. And very soon we realized that both those units were continuously required. It was never a moment when the unit was not required, and therefore we asked for 1 more. In fact, today itself we are thinking of asking for a couple more. So it's been a great success rate. More than 1,000 patients treated. We have only about 1.5% mortality, and the association of Rotary and Messina has been growing exponentially over the last 4 or 5 years. There are innumerable number of clubs, innumerable number of projects which have got completed in our hospital and are just going on and on. I think I would, as Messina Hospital trustees and the management, would like to thank every one of you and the Rotary Club of Bombay in particular and the Rotary Club of Innerwheel for donating these machines. Thank you very much. That's all I want to say.
Thank you, Dr. Joki, for this very informative talk. And we'll play the video now.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sonam Solanki, chest physician at Messina Hospital. So we've been using the Airvo 2 machine in our COVID ward especially, and it's actually been a very good experience. We've had many patients who've required it for a few days, and we could while starting it at the right time prevent further deterioration, reduce the work of breathing of the patient. And the good part about this machine is that it is a very simple, a stand with a easy trolley can be taken bedside to the patient. We don't have to shift the patient to a specific unit. It requires just two things, a plug for the electricity supply and the oxygen port, which is there at every bedside almost. And even when you have to initiate it, there are just two simple things. There is just one humidifier and one patient mask interface. So of course you can have a interface to the tracheostomy, a mask, but what we've been using very often is the nasal cannula interface, and the nasal cannula is also, so it's very easy to train our staff to start using the machine. Patients are very comfortable because after a point if the patient requires a very high level of oxygen requirement and you have to put them on a mask, so every time they have to eat the mask has to be removed if there are not enough attendants inside the ward, especially with the way our wards have been full. They sometimes remove while sleeping, the patient's mask come out. So this ensures that you get humidified air at a specific flow rate, the flow rate up to even 60 liters per minute, and we can actually titrate the exact amount of FiO2 that we give to the patient. So we actually come to know in a very objective manner what is the improvement in the patient's lung.
Hi, my name is Parizad. My dad was admitted in the Messina Hospital last month for COVID, and I must admit that the staff and the doctors at Messina Hospital were just absolutely wonderful. His recovery was well taken care of. I would also like to make a mention of a particular machine that was used on Dad's on Dad for his recovery, which was the HFNC machine that Messina Hospital used, and it really helped him in speeding up his recovery from the COVID infection that he had got. So I really need to put in a word saying thank you very, very much, each and every one of you all. I really and truly appreciate this. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Joki, once again, and Dr. Sonam and the Messina team for this video. We would now like to invite DG Sunil Mehra to virtually inaugurate the Airvo 2 machines at Tata Actrec Kharghar and IWDC Amla Mehta to virtually inaugurate the Airvo 2 machines at Messina Hospital.
So I think Sunil has dropped off. His internet has crashed a couple of times. He just messaged me, he's trying to get in. But without much ado, instead of Sunil, may I request our President Fali Mehta to do the inauguration along with Innovil Chair Amla Mehta.
I presume I'll have to click it. I've clicked the button. And I officially inaugurate the HFNC, I think it is, HFNC machine at the Tata Memorial Hospital, Kharghar. All the very best. Thank you. Swati.
No, we go on to the next inauguration by IWDC Chair Anmona Shah. Amla Mehta.
Anmona, you just have to click on that arrow virtually.
I think
IWDC Amla Mehta.
Amla Mehta will do it.
Amla Mehta, yeah.
Sorry. Amla, just click on it virtually and say you clicked on it because you won't be able to do it. It's a make-believe inauguration.
Can spotlight on her.
Thank you very much.
That was a wonderful inauguration. Thank you. I would now like to invite President of Inner Wheel Club of Bombay Hanging Garden, Anmona Shah, to express her good wishes.
Thank you, Swati. Good afternoon, District Governor Sunil Mehra, District Governor nominee Sandeep Agarwala, our District Chairman Amla Mehta, District Executive Committee, my co-presidents, doctors, Rotarians, and my dear fellow club members. We at Inner Wheel Club of Bombay Hanging Garden have always been eager to be of assistance to the needy and lower strata of the society and have worked towards their social and economic upliftment. But COVID-19 showed the world that none is spared, rich or poor. When disaster strikes, all need help. Apart from undertaking COVID relief projects of providing food grains, masks, sanitizers, PPE kits, it was never out of our mind to do something towards the treatment of the COVID patient. A couple of weeks ago, we all read in the newspaper about the shortage of oxygen and how important it was for fighting the virus. It was then that we came to know that there was a need of this Airvo 2 machines, one each at Masina Hospital and Tata Hospital, Kargar. Last year, we had donated one such machine for the pediatric ward at SL Raheja Hospital and were aware of its utility, and hence immediately we decided to take up this project. Next came the financing part. One request and few minutes is all that it took for our club treasurer, Bhavini Shah, spouse of Rotarian Dilip Shah, to make him agree to fund the project. Orders placed, machines delivered, and here we are. Dilip, I would like to extend my sincere thanks. It is your unconditional support and belief in our work that has made funding this project a reality and a dream come true for our club. Many thanks to Sandeep Bhai for being instrumental in giving us this project and Premlata Vrindavan Shah Charities for the funds. We wish the installation of these machines will help a speedy recovery to the patient. I thank all my team members and dear club members for your constant support and encouragement. Once again, I thank all the Rotary dignitaries and our district chairman, Amla Mehta, for gracing this event. Thank you.
Thank you, President of Inner Wheel Club of Bombay Hanging Garden and Mona Shah. I would now like to present the vote of thanks. It is my absolute privilege to propose this vote of thanks. First, we would like to thank DG Sunil Mehra for encouraging each one of us to challenge ourselves to achieve the impossible. We are deeply grateful to DGN Sandeep Agarwala, who is the force behind this endeavor, one who works tirelessly day and night to impact the lives of so many. We appreciate IWDC Amla Mehta for gracing this occasion and sharing her valuable insights. Thank you to President of RCB Framrose Mehta for supporting every cause wholeheartedly. We are very grateful to President of Inner Wheel Club of Bombay Hanging Garden and Mona Shah for contributing to this worthy cause. We would like to express our gratitude to special invitees, IPP Dilip Shah, Rotary Club of Hanging Garden, and Rotarian Yogesh Mansaria of RCB for their generous donations to this cause. A big thank you to Rotarian Rajendran Unnikrishnan of Rotary Club of Thaisar for helping organize this virtual inauguration so seamlessly. We would like to thank Dr. Vispi Joki of Messina Hospital and his team for tirelessly working through the COVID period and sharing the enlightening as well as heartfelt video of the Messina ICU and their patient. A sincere thanks to Dr. Bhakti, Dr. Naveen Khatri and their team at Tata Actrek Kharghar for sharing valuable facts on the usage of the Airvo 2 machines and the several benefits of the same in COVID treatment, and of course, for working infinite hours, saving lives. We are also very thankful to Dr. Anand Parihar. He is a shining beacon who has inspired the likes of us Rotarians to keep serving the needy during this terrible crisis. We are grateful for his constant support and encouragement. Last but not the least, we are grateful to all our fellow Rotarians and Rotarians, Inner Wheel members, and other guests for being a part of this event and encouraging each one of us to put in our best to make the world a better place with this. With this, the meeting stands adjourned. Thank you all.
Sandeep, she has thanked everybody. Swati also, please.
Of course. So I can't tell you, Swati is a very, very valuable and young and new member in our club, and very manfully shouldering so many responsibilities which are being thrust on her, and we are giving her more and more responsibility as she's getting used to it. I don't think Gaurav is here. Is he here, Gaurav?
Yeah. So this clause number, now there is some, I think, some.
Can you mute everybody except me?
Yeah, I'll mute it.
Thank you.
Sandeep, you'll have to unmute.
Sandeep, you're muted.
Sorry. Gaurav Nevatia was not here today, and Swati have worked really hard to bring this project to fruition. So thank you very much, Swati, for all that you've been doing, both for this as well as the dialysis machine and the other projects which are on the anvil. I'm happy to tell Dr. Naveen Khatri and Dr. Vispi Joki that we are going to be uploading a global grant application in 2 or 3 days' time for another 19 HNFC machines. We will certainly share a few of them with you. And may I request Dr. Khatri, Dr. Vispi has already sent in his appeal letter. If Dr. Khatri can kindly send in an appeal letter on the letterhead today, I would very much appreciate that. So thank you everyone, fellow Rotarians, inner wheelers, ladies and gentlemen, and all distinguished guests, doctors, staff, for being here today. Goodbye.
Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you, Satya.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone, once again.
Thank you.
Hello, Dr. Parihar.
Thank you.
Okay.